do this question, this will be, I'm going to rewrite this. So that will be 4x plus 3 over 2 is greater or equal to x minus 3. So I'm going to write this in form of this fraction here. So I'm going to do over 1. Next step is to cross multiply. So that will be 4x plus 3 is greater or equal to 2 in bracket x minus 3. So I'm going to expand this now. That would be 4x plus 3 is greater or equal to 2 times x is 2x, minus 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So the next step will be to add 6 to both sides. So that will give 4x plus 9 is greater or equal to 2x. So remember that minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So next thing I do is to minus 4x because I have to eliminate this 4x here. So I minus the 4x from both sides. So I'll have 9 is greater or equal to minus 2x. So to find the value of x, I have to divide both sides by minus 2, both sides by minus 2. So the value of my x is going to be x is greater or equal to minus 9 over 2. So this is your answer.